Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Jojo.
And Shruth Spa. How are you, Joe?
I'm good, I'm good. We're going back to Dino James after like 10 years.
I don't even recall what we done last.
Bin
It's been
Bulai,
so
we're going
long.
back. Yeah, I
Oh.
know.
Nice.
I know. Thank you. No, I think Mirage. I think that was the last
Mirage, I
or the
remember,
only one
yes.
we covered. Yeah.
Yes.
Anywho, we are here.
Yeah.
The man's going places. He's got 5 million subscribers now on his channel. This is the latest one that got highly requested in my DMs. It's called Bin Bulai. He's taking his stance in Indian hip hop. Dino's nonchalant presence in hip hop ends with this track, as his pure independent talent has now received mainstream attention. The song's intention is not to put any artist down, but showcasing that he can handle anything coming his way. Bin Bulai leaves an imprint of Dino's capabilities of mixing hip hop and breaking stereotypical narratives of rappers with purposeful records. Interesting.
Acha. Nice. Like tall claims type is happening over here. I like it. Let's see if he's khara utra
Let's
on
see.
it.
Let's see what it is. Tall claims, truth bombs, kya milta hai.
Yes.
Chalo.
Yes.
Bin Bulai, Dino James, produced by Bluish Music. Okay. 1, 2, 3, play.
ये साल काफी अच्छा था हमारे लिए. We've got extremely good numbers, and good numbers means good money.
Product
We have
placement
the
क्या लगा
best
है?
hip hop artist with us. लेकिन हमें और चाहिए. Bigger numbers, bigger money. We are not stopping here. Music नहीं रहा. Music is content, and you are a content factory. किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता है कि लिरिक्स क्या है, म्यूजिक कैसा है.
फर्क पड़ता है सर. बोला नहीं था, but I think I just have to say it. True. नो इनविटेशन छोटे आया हूँ मैं बिन बुलाए, जैसे कोबरा को बिल से कोई बीन बुलाए. आना ही था यहाँ पर रैपिंग का तो सीन बुरा है, किसी का तो अच्छा और किसी का दिन बुरा है. यहीं पर ही रहना है और जितना हार्ट्स को कोई शौक नहीं है. मेरा बेटा बनने का पासपोर्ट यहाँ कालो जैसे बनने की आज बहुत है हौच पौच. सही रास्ता दिखा दो सबको पकड़ा टॉर्च. मेरे गानों में मेलोडी और गानों में बार्ड्स भी, मेरे गानों में सर पैर और गानों में धार भी, मेरे गानों में केरला और यूपी बिहार भी. क्योंकि सीखा मैंने एमिनेम और सीखा रहमान भी. मुझे आता नहीं कैसे लूं मैं झूठी टीआरपी. रियलिटी में जीता हूं नहीं लाइफ वीआर की. मिला ऑटोमेटिक प्यार नहीं चाहिए पीआर टीम. साथी सब बराबर वाले देश नो हायरार्की. तभी इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं कहता इंटरडिपेंडेंट. अकेले का काम नहीं है एंटरटेनमेंट फ्रेंड. सोच खाली अच्छी रखी अच्छे इंटेंशंस. खाली व्यूज के लिए किए नहीं गाने कोई एंड बैंड. मैं इससे बड़ा हूँ, मैं तुझसे बड़ा हूँ, मैं उससे बड़ा हूँ, मैं सबसे बड़ा हूँ. फनी पर सैड है कि सबको लगता है कि यही हिप हॉप है. शायद बस तुम्हें दिखने का शौक है, शायद से बेटा जी तुम्हें लिखने से खौफ है. सरस्वती माँ करे काम मुकम्मल, संग अल्लाह जीसस और संग है शंकर. सबके हाथ है सर पे और मैं उनके अंडर. मेरे गाने पूजा और मैं लिखता मंत्र. तभी चुप रहता हूँ और हूँ मैं हम्बल, पर अंदर चमके मेरे बजते थंडर. शांत मैं बैठा लूँ मैं पहने कंबल, अपने नहीं मैं छोटे होने के दम पर. पूरी लाइफ लाके रख दी मैंने सबके सामने. टूटे सपनों को सारे मैंने लिए काम में. अंडररेटेड और था अंडरडॉग में. बुलाया नहीं किसी ने पर हूँ आमने सामने. मैं आया यहाँ पे बिन बुलाए है, शायद खुदा ने ही चुना है कि ये है तय लंबे फासले संभलना, आगे ये ज़लज़ला. नेक्स्ट ट्रैक कब आ रहा है ब्रो? फक दिस नॉनसेंस. गाने बनाता हूँ नहीं यूट्यूब के कंटेंट. भले हुनी में तानसेन पर चोरी नहीं काम से. आईना भी देखना है, जिंदा है कॉन्शियस. अरे ट्रैक है नया और डीनो स्टोरी गा रहा है. ट्राई कर रहे बहुत किसी से हो नहीं पा रहा है. अब आधे गाने में और आधे लेबल आ रहा है. कोई खुश मेरे लिए और कोई सो नहीं पा रहा है. स्लोली आ रहा है पर धोनी आ रहा है. नो दिखावा है ये वो सितारा है. नो हंसा नहीं जा रहा है और तू रो नहीं पा रहा है. तो समय बताएगा किसका बोल बाला है. हसल में पजल में असल में गजल में, जटल में सरल में अटल में, सफल में संभलना कतल में. डबल हूँ ट्रबल में, बगल से नकल कर डफर तू बबल में. चिपके में लिखता हूँ जैसे हूँ चिपकली. कलाकारी आड़ी है ये छोटे ये ट्रिक बड़ी. ट्रू में क्राफ्ट से या फिर कह लो जिद बड़ी. टिक गाने और देता हिट पर हारता बहुत हूँ और मैं होता विफली, पर मानता काऊं आई जस्ट वांट माय विक्ट्री। और अगर तुम्हें लगे डीनो कुछ भी कह रहा है तो हाथ में रखना बेटा मोटी डिक्शनरी। चिकनी रोड है ये स्लिपरी, गिर न जाना सपाट स्लिपरी। रैप में पकड़ मेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग है ग्रिप बड़ी, स्टूडियो गैंग से सारे दैट्स अ बिग वरी। दूं मैं टिप्पणी प्लीज डोंट ट्रिगर मी, जो भी सोच रहे हो उसका होगा विपरीत। गॉड विलिंग ऐसा कुछ नहीं जो कर नहीं सकता, रेंज है अपनी 360 डिग्री। टॉकिंग मुंह में जिबरी, राइम्स की बारिश अब होगी लिटरली। इंस्टा में चैरिटी दैट्स सो चीप बड़ी, हिप हॉप में बहुत ज्यादा आ गई तितली। गुस्सा आ रहा है तो रखना भीतरी, कहीं नहीं जा रहा हूँ घूमे इधर ही। कभी ऑन द फेस कभी मारू टिप्परी, लाइफ इज ब्यूटीफुल लाइफ इज बेहतरीन। सच्ची रात भर लिख कर सुबह पेपर फाड़ने का दम रखता हूँ। गट्सी हूँ मैं तभी काम ज्यादा और मुझसे राजा थोड़ा कम बकता हूँ। ट्रस्ट मी खोजा मैंने पागलों के जैसा, तब जाके छोटे मिला मेरा साउंड। शक्ति देती मेरी माँ तभी कानों में हमेशा उनका नाम जपता हूँ। आया यहाँ पे हूँ मैं बिन बुलाए, हूँ दोस्ती में कायल पर लड़ने में लायक। हुसीना फुलाए पर सीना खुलाए, अब करने का क्या है यू ओनली डिसाइड। मैं आया यहाँ पे बिन बुलाए है, शायद खुदा ने ही चुना है कि ये है तय लंबे फासले संभलना, आगे ये ज़लज़ला है। खाली आदि था मैं फरियादी था मैं, जरिया बना तू दरिया बना। मैं खाली आदि था मैं फरियादी था मैं, जरिया बना तू दरिया बना। मैं
Damn, dude.
Right? I like how subtly he just put everyone in there. Like
I know.
audience में, background में, like दीवारों पे, सब जगह पे. Like he had just like put hints of everyone right there. So if you know, you know. And I think if we know, you to definitely know.
I know. Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
That part.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
go for it.
Okay. So, I mean, video was hilarious and we're just going to stay away from, like, I like how right in the beginning, he gave like a disclaimer saying that this is not to offend anyone, because obviously he's used sare rappers ke hints, like, you know, sabki depiction wahan dal diya. But if we come just to his lyrics and the way his whole thing is, I loved that it wasn't too fast. It was actually like, you know, sunne like bade aaram se aap
Aram
sun
se,
rahe ho,
exactly.
and
yeah.
you're going with it. The
Hmm.
rhyme scheme was very, very interesting and at the same time pleasing, but yet strong. Like it wasn't, how do I define this? So like how there were certain words he used, which normally Hindi mein वैसे type की rhyme scheme सुनने को नहीं मिलती. You know, it's those usually the same words which keep getting repeated in same songs, and we're like, ये पहले सुना है, ये पहले सुना है. So, and many people do some different things also. His verses, definitely the certain lyrics where they were ending, it was very pleasing to the ears to hear those words. And while written जब English में आ रहा था, there were many times like there were cuss words being used and all that. But within the song, it fit in so well that I didn't find it offensive. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like otherwise it's very easy to go when you're talking, you know, when you're telling everyone ke I'm also in the scene and you sit back and you are good for nothing and I am. Most people go that way. He didn't go that way. He's talking the same thing, but in a slightly more that calling shots at content versus, you know, talent. So I liked the whole premise that he's taken and the way the song went. It was actually very nice. Like, you know, yeah, I think that's what I'm walking away with. Like I actually really like it. In the middle when he started singing, wo bhi acha tha. Like it was nice. You could see that he's not one of those trained singers. Wo आवाज में पता लग रहा था. But it went really well with his, you know, the whole thing together. So I don't know. I mean, I don't know his background to that well, that if he is trained in that way or not and stuff. I'm just talking purely sunte hi jo mujhe laga. And I could be wrong in that. But yeah, what did you feel?
I felt like the song was long, but at no point did it lose me, because he kept switching the rhyme schemes and he kept switching
Right.
the way he was
Yeah.
delivering things.
Yeah.
I was like, he's not repeating anything, you know. Even the chorus
Yes.
was a very short
Yeah.
one. I think it was literally just 4 lines and then it didn't come again. So the rest
Yeah.
of it is just him telling you what are his
Yeah.
thoughts right now, you know,
Yeah.
after being in the industry for X number of years. So every
Yeah.
thought of his was a unique thought. And there were a lot
Correct.
of truth bombs. There were so many bars. And my first thought when it ended was he didn't repeat himself, even in a song this long. So there was just a lot on his mind that he put forth so nicely and so beautifully. Like there were some very real moments in the lines, and then there were some very emotional moments in the line, like, when he mentions his mom and how, music saved him and things like that. And there were also some very like slight shots getting taken at people, sarcasm, just a little bit snarkiness slightly. So there was a lot of attitude as well, and the visuals were going so well with what was going on in the lyrics. Like the guy has
Correct.
got so much screen presence, and he's got
Yeah.
that not just screen presence physically, body wise, but eyes. They're really very communicative, and I was literally just like, this is awesome. I love what he's saying, because if I didn't like, it's a song where it's like, okay, if you're someone who loves all the commercial music and doesn't really care for the logic or the point he's trying to make in the song, then you will not really stay with it for 5 minutes. But I connected a lot with his thought process
What
and
he
what
was
he's
saying,
actually
yeah.
saying. So it shows that he's a deep thinker, and he's not he's got a huge channel. He's clearly got a lot of fans, and he's not got, like, let all that get to him. He's still keeping his thoughts real and aware of what's fake and what's not. So
Correct.
so overall, like, I'm just saying that overall I feel like, man, so good. Just like it's a very real song that was very needed.
Yeah.
I feel,
And
especially for the
the
fans of
switches.
hip hop. Desi hip hop,
So
right?
true, so true, so true. And the switches he made, like how when he's talking about others, the flow was completely different. And then when he came to talking about the emotional stuff, like you pointed out, like he said Shakti, and then he like went into, and then ta-na-na-na-na. So the flow shifted.
That
Like,
part
every
was
time
so
he was
good.
talking about, right? And every time he was talking about self and his real moments, the flow was different. Every time he was calling someone out or talking about generally, the labels or like the other competitors, the flow was different, which was very distinctly there. That was lovely. I also, right in the end, I noticed that how the entire setup of the way they were sitting in the video was like a AA meeting. So it's like सबको नशा चढ़ा हुआ है. Everybody is sitting there. Hip hop का नशा चढ़ा हुआ है, and अब नशा उतारने की बारी है. It literally, that's the, like, how in the middle that one line also he said कि hip hop is not what everybody's now made it out to be. It is not just that, and that went so well with that visual of everyone sitting in a AA meeting and like a support group which is there for each other. That let's now take it towards a direction where hip hop can be, and not just go on a repeat mode of what is going on in the market right now. So just the subtle, or at least that's the subtle.
Or even try to be the rappers in the West. Everyone's trying, and the visual there was quite funny.
Yes.
He's like, don't try and copy what they're doing or who they are. You're not them. Make something of your own. Like that was a nice part. Also, after the chorus, the flow there was so good. It just, like, I distinctly remember those 7-8 lines right after the chorus happened, that this is nice. And then that bit that you're saying, Shakti, that was I got the lyrics, Sachi, then he says gutsy, then he says trust me, then he says Shakti, and then the lines follow. So that bit was really good. I think it's the end of the year thoughts collection, coming. It's a good time to kind of
it's a good time
release a song like this. But final takeaway is that
final takeaway for me is, I hope this is the first of many such songs that he's about to put out. And if there's a whole album, and what kind of more songs he's going to put out, whichever next, whenever they come, I'll be like really looking forward to that. Because, I could do with a little more of this intense style in like different zones. There'll be different kinds of songs he'll create. So
his thought process is my vibe. So for sure, gonna explore his next songs more. But I want to end with the things he's saying to the people he's saying them to, whether it's the audience or his peers. I hope they get it.
But Joe, that's what I'm saying. If we got it, how will they not get it?
No, I mean, not that they get it, they'll get it. But I hope they do something about it after they get it. Like they look in the mirror and they kind of get it. That's what I mean.
Well, I mean, that's an ego game, right? If somebody takes it too personally, then they won't get it. For a time lagega, then they'll get it.
That's
and
true.
If someone gets it, then So
that's what I'm saying. The ego game will happen, but I'm saying more for the audiences, because they need to understand what's going on from an insider's perspective. Someone who's on the inside in the industry, he's telling them this is what's going on, and you guys need to be aware that this is what's going on. A lot of you know, whatever he said
Also,
it in the
one thing
song.
that they, yeah, but one thing that happened before the song, which set the mood perfectly,
Hmm.
was how, you know, how talent, when you're creating a song because you're creating the song versus you're creating a song because now the market needs it. And the content, brand, whatever's like, you know, people who are going to be releasing your song are defining what kind of song you create. That's the divide he started with, right? So I like that how he put it out there straight up that it's not against people. It is actually because it's such a fine line between you know, commercial music and songs which will be put out via a label versus independent music. And it's a fine line everyone wants to walk because, like, you know, so I like how he put it out there, but while walking the line. So that was nice.
Yeah,
Like, overall.
but yeah, so coming ending your thought with the final point of this whole debate is that
Yes.
everything at the end of the day, the power lies with the audience, whether the label's releasing something or an independent artist is releasing something. If you guys stop
Correct.
listening to rubbish music, then the labels will also not ask the artist to create that music. So go and give the views to the real good stuff and don't do conjuicy, you know, like I have seen when we release reactions to lesser known artists ka songs, it's a beautiful song and I go batshit crazy trying to get people to watch it with us on
Correct.
Instagram. I'll post it and I'll, you know, share it and all of that. And the views are so less. People just want to watch reactions to their artists that they love. And I'm like, how are you not opening your mind to newer music? It may just be music that you will fall in love with and an artist you'll fall in love with. So listen to everything and support everything and don't be confused with your views that I'm just going to listen to the guy I like or the girl I like. Like, if you keep complaining about independent artists and underground artists not getting their due, then it's your fault. You're not listening to the non-commercial stuff that's getting released. So anyway, okay, I'm gonna calm
With
down.
that, we're just gonna click away.
I gotta leave. Hope you get the message through this song. Hopefully we got it. And yeah, check out his Bola's website. It's linked below. Support this channel also. It really helps. Chalo. We'll see you in the next one. Live long and prosper. Oh my God, I went on a rant.